As the squirrels store nuts for the winter, Josh and Adam forage for leftover French fries behind the couch.
Kick it!
Like ketchup into a ketchup bucket full of ketchup.
I'm Josh of SolidSmack.com.
I'm Adam of CADjunkie.com.
This is the SolidSmack update.
Brought to you by 5 muskrats in a pillow fight to the death.
Thank you, Smothmealer. Now,
The news. Technology.
if you've dreamt of having a 3D model of an 8-eyed baby
Or any other model, for that matter.
spinning across your website in glorious 3D,
You'll want to see the new WordPress plugin from P3D.
upload models to P3D, embed the viewer in your WordPress site, no browser plugin required.
So awesome!
Nice.
And Dell, lots of news lately, this Dell.
Yes.
This week they
Dell.
released their new rack-mounted workstation. The R5500 is the first multi-user rack workstation.
Holds up to 4 GPUs, 192 gigabitties of RAM, and six 1 terabyte hard drives.
It starts at 2,700 buckaroos, minus the 4 monitors you're going to need to go.
Design.
Raise of hands. How many have how many have a chair made of recycled New York City water towers sitting in their living rooms?
No!
No.
We look at that and 3 other fabulous fine furniture examples.
Yep, the beam from Holler Design, a fancy table, and scrapwood furniture. Check it out.
Do it. Buckyballs, we love them, and the man who set the idea in motion by buying that very first Buckminster Fuller Buckyball was none other than William McShane.
Yep, the William McShane Fund is aiming to McShane one of the 12 Kickstarter projects.
You get the vote, and the winner gets $25,000.
Computer-aided design.
Power SubD-NURBS is a new plugin for Modo that converts
Yes, it is.
SubD services into a clean NURBS-based format.
IntegrityWare teamed up with Luxology to make that possible.
Yep, exports IGES, 3DM, SAT, or step files from the surfaces. Cost is $5.95 at Luxology.
Sam Yüksel is making highly detailed, realistic geometry of, wait for it, knitted garments.
Oh!
Possible with new software he has developed.
Yep, Stitch Meshes is a yarn-based simulation technique.
It's adding detail the likes of which you have never seen. People, it is awesome. Definitely,
Yes.
you gotta go check this out and watch the videos.
See it.
It's so cool.
Fabrication.
The Cube is now available for pre-order at $12.99. That's $1,299. According to Cubify.com, the release date will be May 25th.
But does it lack the open source soul that made other 3D printers famous?
Probably, maybe. We take a look at the printer and see how it stacks up to the others.
Do you love infographics, Josh?
No.
I do!
Yes.
Well,
no.
how about 3D printed infographics?
Yes!
Shapes in Play has been creating imp objects.
3D printed organic and quite peculiar shapes that represent the ecological impact of the food we eat.
Smothmealer, what do you think of all this?
I've got an ecological impact!
And do I even need to? Why do I even
Look
ask?
out! It's coming out my tear ducts! It's a baby smoke!
What is that? It's cute and kind of... Oh, okay. And there you have it, folks. There you have it.
Get all the details on this
Disgusting.
and more at SolidSmack.com.
And by following SolidSmack on Twitter. SolidSmack readers rock.
They do indeed.
Sign up for our newsletter there in the sidebar, and be sure to tune into Engineer vs. Designer each Monday at engineervsdesigner.com.
Yes! This Smothmealer update is over!
A production of EBD Media.